Hey everyone, today let's talk about set up large text area for extended text in listings. Let's see how to set up the new custom listing field type large text area, which allows users to enter longer content in plain text or HTML when creating listings. Navigate to the Admin Control Panel Listings Custom Fields. Create listing fields. First, name the custom field as Product Description. Choose the type as Text Area HTML. Next, name the custom field. Choose the type as Text Area Plain Text. We have create two custom fields, Exterior Color Description and Product Description. And click Save to apply changes. Once created, these fields will appear in the additional section when creating or editing listing. Enter bold HTML formatted text in the product description and plain text in the exterior color description. Then save the listing. On the detail page, you'll now see the product description displayed with formatted bold HTML content. The exterior color description displayed as long-form plain text. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more informative videos.